This one is Mary Had a Little Lamb. The good thing here, you will see only 3 notes. So it's either C, D, or E. I'm pretty sure that you are with this tune. Let's try together. Written in the treble clef, and we have 4/4 time signature again. That means we have 4 quarter notes in a 1 bar. So the first note to start with is E. Ready? Let's try slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, C, D, then E 3 times. 2, 3, 4. Now ready on D. Again from E, C, D, E, 3, 4, 4, and damp. Good. Okay, now let's play with left hand now. Ready? I will count 4 in 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and damp. Good. Make sure you damp the string after 4 beats. Okay? Good. Are you doing the right posture? Are you doing the thumb up and close every time and lift up? So it's important, even though it's the quite familiar tune, we feel like to play faster, but the most important thing is to get the right posture. We still need to close and lift up, even though it's a little bit faster motion. For every single note, close and lift up. Then if you have a longer note like a half note, you can take a little bit more time. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you close for every single note and then lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Well done.